Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove game interests in Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now, to remove any games you were interested and you had selected on the Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear where at the bottom of the list you can see the settings option available for us just above help and feedback. Tap on settings and you will land on this interface, and you'll be required to again tap on the general option at the top of the list. So tap on the general option, and when this panel appears, you can see the interests option available for us just below the automatically archive apps. So tap on interests, and the second option you can see here, it says the remove game interests, and it also says remove the game interests that you have selected on Google Store recently. So let's tap on it. Currently there it says there are no interests to remove at the bottom, but if in your case you had selected any games which you have been interested and selected it on the Play Store as interested games, those games will be removed by tapping on this button. So that being said, guys, just tap on it and all your interested games on the Google Play Store will be removed. And guys, this is how to remove game interests in Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.